What up with it, Q hollering at you. Today we in Machine mess with the perform effects. You know what I'm saying? Pretty dope, pretty clean, you know what I'm saying? Integrated very well, just like all the other portions of the Machine software. You got several different effects that you can use, and you can fine tune within each one what you want to do. Filter, flanger, burst echo, reso echo, ring, stutter, tremolo, scratcher. As you can see, I already got my song laid out because I recorded in automation. That's pretty easy to do as well. You could just hit your automation, record all your effects live and in real time if you choose to do so. But let's go ahead, get in here. I'm gonna play a little something, nice little sample I found in Machine, and then just to showcase a little bit of what it can do if you're unaware. Let's go. So you can tap in different places, and of course you can sweep it. And also, just another little tip, you can hold one finger down here. So you can hold it in one place, and it'll return to that spot. That's pretty cool to use. Scratch in there. And it do take some getting used to trying to do it like that. And also I have a group B down here. So if I use group B right here, you can do effects right here. And the way I had set it up was so that this triggers. So that way my original sample can be, you know what I'm saying? It can still be in there flowing nicely. So for instance, so you can do little stuff like that, you know what I mean? That's a way to do it with the multiple groups. And of course you can put as many groups as you want, and you can layer different effects in that manner. So let's go to flanger. So they got some cool little stuff in here. And the stutters, old school. Hey. So of course once you start mixing all that kind of stuff up, and then you add your scratches on top and everything, you get something that's pretty clean. And with that, let me just show what I did recording with the automation. Deleted that last pattern. I just wanted to play around with it, just so y'all can see live. Hey. You know, you can have nice little effects throughout the whole song if you want to. And you can also perform live if you want to. I think that's dope. I like that. Nice little static going on with the hi-hats right there. That's smooth. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. It's just cool what you can get in there and play around with. But yeah, also if you use perform effects, let me know the ways you use it. You know what I'm saying? The different types of sounds that you come across in there, how you've been able to manipulate or otherwise pretty regular or standard beat, you know, add some deviation in there. I love to hear that. You got links to your videos, put it down in the description below. Anyway, thanks for watching this quick little video. Being Q hollering at you. Peace.